Flax seeds are tiny golden or brown seeds packed with nutrients that offer numerous health benefits. They are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, dietary fiber, lignans, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds to your daily diet can support overall health in many ways. 1. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, flax seeds are an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, support heart health, improve brain function, and promote healthy skin. Regular consumption may also help lower the risk of chronic diseases associated with inflammation, too. Supports heart health, the combination of omega-3 fats, fiber, and lignans in flax seeds helps improve cardiovascular health. Flax seeds may help reduce LDL cholesterol, maintain healthy blood pressure, and improve blood vessel function. These effects can lower the risk of heart disease and stroke when combined with a healthy lifestyle. 3. Improves digestive health. Flax seeds contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which promotes healthy digestion. Soluble fiber forms a gel that supports beneficial gut bacteria, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool and helps prevent constipation. Regular intake supports a healthy digestive system and promotes regular bowel movements. 4. Helps with weight management. The high fiber content in flax seeds helps you feel full for longer, reducing hunger and unnecessary snacking. This may help control calorie intake and support healthy weight loss or weight maintenance when paired with a balanced diet and regular exercise. 5. Helps control blood sugar levels. The soluble fiber in flax seeds slows the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, helping prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar. This makes flax seeds a beneficial addition to the diet of people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, although they should complement, not replace, medical treatment. 7. May reduce cancer risk. Some research suggests that the lignans in flax seeds may help reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers such as breast and prostate cancer. These compounds may help regulate hormone activity and reduce oxidative stress. More research is needed, but including flax seeds as part of a healthy diet may offer protective benefits. 8. Supports hormonal balance. Lignans in flax seeds have mild estrogen-like effects that may help support hormonal balance in some individuals. They may help reduce menopausal symptoms such as hot flashes in some women, though results vary between individuals. 9. Promotes healthy skin. The healthy fats and antioxidants in flax seeds help keep skin hydrated and may reduce dryness and irritation. Regular consumption may improve skin elasticity and contribute to a healthier complexion. 10. Strengthens hair. Flax seeds provide nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, protein, vitamin E, and B vitamins that support healthy hair. They may help reduce hair dryness, improve shine, and support stronger hair growth when consumed regularly as part of a balanced diet. 11. Supports brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids are important for brain function. Regular intake of flax seeds may help support memory, concentration, and overall cognitive health. While ALA is not as readily converted to the omega-3s found in fish, it still contributes to overall omega-3 intake. 12. Provides high-quality plant protein. Flax seeds contain plant-based protein that supports muscle repair and growth. They are an excellent addition to vegetarian and vegan diets, helping increase daily protein intake. 13. Strengthens bones. Flax seeds provide minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, which contribute to maintaining strong bones and teeth. These nutrients support normal bone metabolism and overall skeletal health. 15. Easy to add to your diet. Ground flax seeds are more easily digested than whole seeds. They can be mixed into smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, breakfast cereals, salads, soups, homemade bread and muffins, pancake or dosa batter. Flaxseed side effects. Flax seeds are highly nutritious and safe for most people when eaten in moderation. However, consuming too much or using them improperly may cause some side effects. 1. Digestive problems. Flax seeds are rich in dietary fiber. Eating large amounts suddenly may cause bloating, gas, stomach cramps, constipation. If you don't drink enough water, diarrhea. In some people, tip: start with 1 teaspoon daily and gradually increase to 1 to 2 tablespoons while drinking plenty of water. 2. May increase bleeding risk. Flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, which may have a mild blood thinning effect. People taking blood thinning medications, such as warfarin, apixaban, rivaroxaban, or clopidogrel, should consult their healthcare provider before consuming large amounts regularly. 3. May lower blood sugar. Flax seeds may help reduce blood sugar levels. While this can be beneficial, people taking diabetes medications should monitor their blood sugar, as combining the two may increase the risk of blood sugar dropping too low. 4. May lower blood pressure. Flax seeds may contribute to a small reduction in blood pressure. If you already have low blood pressure or take medication for high blood pressure, discuss regular flaxseed use with your healthcare provider. 5. Allergic reactions. Rare, although uncommon, some people may experience an allergic reaction, including skin rash or itching, hives, swelling of the lips or tongue, difficulty breathing, requires immediate medical attention. Stop eating flax seeds and seek medical care if you develop signs of a severe allergic reaction. 6. Hormone-related considerations. Flax seeds contain lignans, which have weak estrogen-like properties. Most people can consume them safely, but individuals with hormone-sensitive medical conditions should seek personalized medical advice before consuming large amounts. 7. May reduce medication absorption. Because flax seeds are high in fiber, they may slow the absorption of some medications or supplements if taken at the same time. Tip: take medications at least 1 to 2 hours before or after eating flax seeds, unless your healthcare provider advises otherwise. 8. Choking risk. Whole flax seeds can be difficult to swallow, especially without enough fluid. Tip: consume ground flax seeds and always drink plenty of water. 9. Raw or unripe flax seeds. Raw or unripe flax seeds contain naturally occurring compounds that can be harmful if consumed in large amounts. Commercial flax seeds are generally safe when eaten in normal food quantities, especially when ground or incorporated into foods. 10. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Moderate amounts of flax seeds used as food are generally considered acceptable for many people, but because evidence on high-dose supplementation is limited, pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should consult their healthcare provider before using flaxseed supplements or consuming large amounts regularly. Who should be cautious? People taking blood-thinning medications, people with diabetes using glucose-lowering medications, people taking blood pressure medications, individuals with hormone-sensitive medical conditions, people with known flaxseed allergies, pregnant or breastfeeding individuals considering high intake or supplements. Safe daily intake. For most healthy adults, 1 to 2 tablespoons, 10 to 20 grams, of ground flax seeds per day is generally considered a reasonable amount as part of a balanced diet. Increase intake gradually and drink enough water. Conclusion: flax seeds are a nutritious food that offers many health benefits, but eating excessive amounts or using them without enough water may cause digestive discomfort. They can also interact with certain medications and may not be appropriate in all situations. Consuming flax seeds in moderation and discussing regular use with your healthcare provider if you have medical conditions or take prescription medications is the safest approach. Get to know many useful information like this? Please subscribe this channel. Like and share this video. Thank you.